Quantum levitation is a phenomenon that has garnered significant attention in recent years, thanks to its potential to revolutionize various fields, from transportation to energy. At its core, quantum levitation relies on the unique properties of superconducting materials, which can conduct electricity with zero resistance when cooled to extremely low temperatures. When a superconductor is placed in a magnetic field, it can expel the magnetic field, creating a region around itself where the magnetic field is zero. This expulsion of the magnetic field is known as the Meissner effect, and it's a key component of quantum levitation. By carefully controlling the magnetic field and the temperature of the superconductor, scientists can create a stable equilibrium, where the object is suspended in mid-air. One of the most impressive demonstrations of quantum levitation is the creation of a quantum levitation track, where a superconducting object can be made to float and move along a magnetic track. This technology has the potential to revolutionize transportation, enabling the creation of high-speed vehicles that can travel at incredible speeds with minimal energy consumption. Quantum levitation also has applications in the field of energy, where it can be used to improve the efficiency of power transmission and storage. The use of superconducting materials in quantum levitation can also enable the creation of more efficient magnetic resonance imaging machines. In addition to its practical applications, quantum levitation also has the potential to shed new light on our understanding of the fundamental laws of physics. By studying the behavior of superconducting materials in magnetic fields, scientists can gain insights into the nature of quantum mechanics and the behavior of particles at the atomic and subatomic level. The study of quantum levitation has also led to a greater understanding of the properties of superconducting materials and their potential applications in various fields. While quantum levitation is still a relatively new and developing field, it has already shown tremendous promise and potential for innovation and discovery. As scientists continue to explore and understand the principles of quantum levitation, we can expect to see new and exciting applications of this technology in the years to come. From revolutionizing transportation to enabling new breakthroughs in medical imaging, quantum levitation is an exciting and rapidly evolving field that holds great promise for the future. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible with quantum levitation, we may uncover new and innovative ways to apply this technology to real-world problems. The potential of quantum levitation to transform our world is vast and exciting, and it's an area of research that is definitely worth keeping an eye on in the years to come. With its potential to defy gravity and enable new breakthroughs in various fields, quantum levitation is a fascinating area of study that is sure to capture the imagination of scientists and non-scientists alike. As we continue to explore the possibilities of quantum levitation, we may uncover new and innovative ways to apply this technology to real-world problems, leading to a brighter and more exciting future for all. The journey of discovery and innovation in the field of quantum levitation is just beginning, and it's an exciting time to be a part of this rapidly evolving field.